think many of you would agree that the only thing better than getting a boat out on the water is taking out a clean boat that your girl or guy wants to ride on. This 2000 Taiga behind me has been sitting in storage and neglected for over 2.5 years, and it seems like a great way to test out some cleaning products. The people over at Better Boat have hooked us up with everything we need to get this jewel shining and back on the water with my girl happily cruising in the back. I've played with these products and am really impressed so far. The thing that first struck me was the quality of construction. You can tell by just holding this brush that it's solid and it's not going to fall apart on you. Also, the cleaners come in 1-quart bottles, so you don't have to worry about running out after you start your project. I can't do justice to all of these products in one video, so today we're going to start with a 3-step Teak system. Cleaner, brightener, and sealer. The old swim deck on the back of this ski boat gets abused. There's water rushing over the top of it. The sun's baking it. Before I took it out last time, I had oiled it with traditional hardwood oil, and as you can see, it's all washed out and dry as a bone now. To start the process, I'm going to sand the surface to smooth it out and then apply the Teak cleaner. Now that our deck is smoothed out, I just used 80 grit sandpaper to knock the splinters off the top. It's time to clean it. This is very important. Using the Teak cleaner, if your wood is exceptionally dirty, kind of graying and has black spots in it, then you want to apply it to dry wood so that it soaks it in deep. If it's not so bad, then you can apply it to moist wood. I'm going to use a little bowl, the stiff brush from the upholstery brush set, and go ahead and work this cleaner in with the grain. It needs to sit 1 to 2 minutes and then be washed off while brushing with the grain of the wood. Now that our wood is clean and starting to dry, we're going to apply Better Boat's Teak Brite, which helps restore the beauty and warmth of natural hardwood grain. Using a sponge from the wax applicator set and a pair of rubber gloves, we're going to gently work the Teak Brite into the wood with the grain. Now that we've got a good coat of Teak Brite on it, we're going to let it sit 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse it off before applying the sealer. The final step of this process is to apply the Teak Sealer. This time, we're going to once again put it in a bowl and then use a paintbrush to apply overlapping strokes with the grain until the entire deck is coated. Up to 2 coats of sealer can be applied, and then it needs to dry for 24 hours, which means I'm not going to get out on the water today. So I guess this is the end. Clean it, brighten it, and seal it every 6 months to maintain your teak. I want to say thank you to Better Boat for making this video possible, and thank you to you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to testing out some new products and seeing y'all in the future. Hope you have a great night. Peace.